In this video, we're going to have a quick look at how we can cross-reference information from one part of a document to another. So for instance, if you have a chart or an image in one part of your document and you want to create a link from the text in a paragraph or on a page back to that particular image, okay, you can create a cross-reference. So for instance, we might be saying, in the paragraph, we're talking about a chart that's on page 6, for instance. So we could say, see page 6, figure 1, or something like that. Okay, so what we're doing is creating a hyperlink from the main text to that location where the image actually appears within the document. Okay, so first thing we need to do is, bear with me while I share my screen. Okay, so first thing we have to do is create a caption on the image if it doesn't already have one. Okay, so going back to when we were working through our graphics and things. Okay, so a little bit of recap revision here. So I've selected this this map. Okay, and I'm going to references, insert a caption. Okay, and I'm going to create new label, and I'm going to call it figure 1 map. Okay, so, and just click OK, and OK again. So you can see there that it's got the caption below it now. Okay, so where I want to reference that within the document text is at the end of sentence 2 in paragraph 1. So I'm just going to start typing, okay, after the full stop, I'm going to say see, okay, and leave it there. And again, I'm going to say insert links, and I'm going to click on cross-reference. Okay, so under reference type, I'm looking for, okay, you've got lots of different options: bookmarks, footnotes, endnotes, equations, figures. But here we've also got tables, and I've got now here under figures, I've got figure 1 map. Okay, because we've already put a caption to the actual map. So when I click on figure 1 map, I can insert and I can close. Okay, so if I hover over the text, okay, you can see there that it says to me, okay, we need to type, actually tidy up first, is actually putting in our closing bracket. Okay, and another full stop if you want. It depends where you've actually put it in the text. Okay, so but if I hover over, again, I need to put in a space there just to tidy things up. But when I hover over, it says Control and click, okay, to follow the link. Now, this is a small document, and you can actually see the map quite clearly on page 1, and I could scroll down to it. But we're assuming here that we've got a larger document, okay? So anyway, Control and, okay, click, okay, takes me to the image, okay, that we had already set the caption to. So that's how we can cross-reference very, very quickly. So imagine if you have a very large document, okay, and that map was away on page 65 or something, instead of having to scroll down to find it, okay, you can just do Control and click to follow the link and get there very, very quickly. Okay, it is a field, okay, there's a code in there, see figure map, figure 1 map 1. Okay, so if we have amended anything, we can, which we haven't, but if we change anything at all, we can use the F9, remember, to update everything. Okay, so if we are changing things about or moving things about within the document, remember to update your fields. And if we want to delete, okay, remember we would just have to delete everything, including the brackets and my full stop. Okay, so just the first full stop. So you just select it all, hit delete, and it's gone. And if necessary, remember to always tidy up the document. Okay, just make sure that you've not got too many spaces in between sentences and things like that. Okay, so that is how we can very quickly create a cross-reference to an image that lives somewhere else within the document. Okay, thank you for sharing.